Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Today we are going to talk about the very first type of connective tissue, that is blood. Now as we have discussed in our previous lecture under the introduction part of the connective tissue, that blood is a special type of connective tissue which is devoid of the component called fibers. It means the blood tissue is not having any kind of fibers in it. So it is containing the cells and the matrix. So let's discuss what the blood is. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. It is a fluid connective tissue, or it can be also termed as vascular connective tissue. Fine. Now this blood is the softest tissue in an animal, softest tissue of the body. Okay, because as I have told you, those fibers which are made up of proteins, they are responsible for providing the strength to the tissue. As there is no fiber, so it is the softest one. In an average, the human, if I am going to talk about, it is containing 5.5 liter of the blood. Okay, 5.5 liter of the blood is there in the adult human being, which make near about 70% of its weight. Got it? Now this blood tissue is composed of a ground substance, a matrix, and the blood cells. Okay, as I have told you, it is devoid of fibers. So because of this reason, it is also termed as a false connective tissue, because it is not containing the fibers. Got it? Now we'll discuss about the matrix and the blood cells. The matrix or the ground substance of this blood connective tissue is plasma. Okay, which is fluid in nature. Because of this plasma, the blood can flow into the blood vessels. Fine. Second component are the blood cells. Okay. The name of those blood cells are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Okay, these are the different types of cells over here. Now, the plasma of the blood, it is mainly made up of water. Mainly made up of water, and it contains various kind of substances. The nutrients are present into it. The hormones are present into it. Okay. Okay, the gases are dissolved into the plasma and many more things. The WBC, the RBC, platelets, they are going to form near about 45% of the blood. Rest 55% is the plasma. So due to this fluid matrix is fluid in nature, that is the plasma. The blood is a specialized connective tissue. Got it? It is a vascular connective tissue which can flow into the blood vessels. Now, the functions we can see of each. As we know, red blood cells are responsible for the transportation of oxygen and CO2 also. WBC is a main part of the defense system of our body. Platelets help in clotting the blood. Got it? Plasma provide fluidity to the tissue, that is the blood. Got it? So these are the main functions of these different parts of this tissue, which is the type of a connective tissue, which help in connecting various body organs by supplying the nutrients, by transporting the oxygen, by carrying the waste from the sites. Okay, so what this blood is helping in, let's talk about the function. Functions of blood. The very first function, okay, transport gases CO2 and O2. Then it help in carrying waste, transport nutrients, okay, and many more functions are there. So this is all about the tissue blood. Thank you.